Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to develop a Remember Me add-on for sign-in process. First I am going to show you the output. First I am going to log in without checking the Remember Me box. You can see there are no cookies saved in here. Now I'm going to back to the sign in page and going to sign in with the Remember Me box checked. Now you can see the cookies are stored in here. I am going back to the sign in page, reload the page. You can see the email address is automatically filled in the field when Remember Me box is checked. So this is the output. I create a new table in the database and connected to the user table using to many relationship. Now let's see the code. This is the sign in function. It executes when the user clicks the login button. Here I collect the email and password entered by the user. I also get the Remember Me checkbox element. I remove the hidden class to make sure error message can be displayed. First I check whether both fields are filled. If not, I show all fields are required. Then I validate the email format. This prevents invalid input before sending data to the server. Here is the key part for the Remember Me feature. If the checkbox is checked, I send the value true. Otherwise, I send false. This information is sent securely to the backend. I use XML HTTP request to send the login data asynchronously. The page does not reload, which improves user experience. If the server returns success, a success message is displayed and the user is redirected to home PHP. Otherwise, the error message from the server is shown. Now let's see the login process PHP. This initializes session management. Sessions allow the system to track logged in users. This connects the system to the database. Here I receive the login credentials and the Remember Me value from the front end. Even though I validate in JavaScript, I must validate again on the server because front-end validation can be bypassed. I use a prepared statement to fetch the user by email. Prepared statements prevent SQL injection attacks. Passwords are stored as hashed values in the database. I use password verify to securely compare the entered password with the stored hash. If the user selected Remember Me, the system activates the token-based login feature. I generate a secure random token using random bytes. This ensures the token is unpredictable and secure. Before storing the token in the database, I hash it using password hash. This ensures that even if the database is compromised, the original token cannot be easily retrieved. I store user ID, hash token, expire date 13 days. The original token is stored in the browser cookie. It expires in 13 days. I do not store passwords in cookies. This is a secure token based implementation. If remember me is not selected, any previous cookies are deleted by setting expiration time in the past. When the login page loads, the system checks whether the remember me cookies exists. If it exists, the email field is automatically filled. The remember me checkbox is checked. This improves user experience. This remember me implementation follows secure practice. Passwords are hashed, tokens are randomly generated, tokens are hashed in database, cookies do not store passwords, expiry date is implemented, sessions manage active login, prepared statements prevent SQL injection. This ensures both convenience and security. The system allows users to stay logged in for 13 days securely. It enhances user experience while maintaining strong security standards. Thank you.